Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their phones to car radios? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on radio. Start by powering on your Dual XRM47BT car radio and switching to Bluetooth mode. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and begin searching for available devices around you. Step 3. Find device. Look for the device named Dual Media Player in the list found on your phone. Step 4. Select device. Select Dual Media Player from the list to start pairing with your phone. Step 5. Enter code. Enter the pairing code 1234 when prompted on your phone to complete the connection. After following these steps, your phone should be successfully connected to the Dual XRM47BT. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dual users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.